All right, looks like we got our two pairs today. We about to see what's going on. I have been 10K, so this is the last session till probably after Christmas. You know, more Christmas Eve and shit. Niggas ain't looking at the church. All right, let's go into 15 minutes. We had news earlier, if I'm not mistaken. All right, boom. Hold on. We just took out a London high, 4 a.m. high. What's over here? Asia high. Should check the Asia high. Let's see. What's this? Yesterday's low. Can't do swept that shit. We fill a gap up. Oh, we didn't fully, but let's see. US 30 did the same, kind of like the same thing. Hold up. What gold do? Gold dumping. But gold been pumping for a minute now. I'm gonna look at now still. Took the low. Just took out some highs. Dropped to the 1 minute. And this little bullish gap. Do we not? We had news, right? Let me see. That nigga sick, yo. Yes, done. Alright. I'm kind of just looking right now. Maybe a sell right here. If it's not a sell, we could go take out these. I got these. Currently bullish as fuck on the 15. 5 minute candle bullish too. Man, US 30 dumping. I should need to dump. They didn't dump yesterday, like no. Like we rejecting this gap right here. Shut up yesterday low. We just took out. Did you see how yesterday highs? Rejected Asia's high. Yesterday highs is all the way up here. But it's off the inverse. We gotta close above. We close above it. What ES do? ES took out the lows too from yesterday. Yep. Yeah, it's I could probably enter. I wanna see how we close though. The inverse gonna be that's my entry point. Let me see, at least go for these highs. It's crazy. Let's see. We could also come and tap this gap right here, but I'm just gonna go for that 6 highs. It's just a small little play. Let's see. Take out these shits already. Yo, my boy Ray. We Supreme. See my boy. I'm chilling. Looking to see how the market is doing. 5 minutes before close bullish. We didn't really close above these highs though, so we could be a sweep, but you know, we're gonna wait and see. I am in this trade on my demo account right now. Well, bro, let me like change like this part. Yeah, okay. We could take out this low though. Stops at that low. Yeah, stops right under the low. This ain't even this like a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Highs got swept. Rejected this one. This looked like the same trade I low-key took yesterday on 30, but I was trying to sell that shit. S&P still bullish for 5 minutes, so we'll see if Nas gonna follow. Yes, still bullish. As long as that's bullish, that's a good confirmation. But since we already took that out, cool. We gotta take these out. We don't take these. We're gonna aggressively start pushing up. Yeah, but it's still early. Yo, niggas just think I'm sick, bro. Which sucks. We're trying to get sick. Minutes still bullish. Ooh. If I lose a trade and then come down and tap like this gap, we sweep this high, we swept the highs, come down, tap this gap, I'm gonna take another trade. But if we push up from here and go straight to TP, cool. But I wouldn't mind letting it stop me out just to come back and getting a better entry down here. I won't even lie. I wouldn't be mad. I wouldn't be mad if I got stopped out because there. But nigga, ES is fully bullish. No, yeah. Compared to Nas. ES took out them highs yesterday. He put in. Nas didn't. So we gotta wait and see. My boy Mikhail, yo, was good. He said, I don't think you're sick. You have runny nose, you're blowing issue. That help because sometimes I have a runny nose. Now no pause. My throat sore as hell too. Every time I swallow, it hurt. So like I'm probably make some tea in a little bit. Yeah, he has passing. 32, damn. I always end up missing one of them. It's like if I don't go for 30, you know, It's either or. He has busting though. Nah, it's still bullshitting a little bit. 30 look crazy on the far. Yeah. Nah, still trying to play catch up and shit. 15-minute candle look good though. The water right now, my boy. But after this trading session, a nigga gonna gargle with some peroxide, some salt water. Wish I could get some tea. I bought some ginger last night. I'm about to drop a couple shorts too. I know I got y'all the shorts. Yes, still never. Yes, bullish as fuck on the 15. Even Nas, the only thing is his wick. Like, the only thing crazy about this trade is the fact that we already took out this high. We already took out this previous high. So we want to come in and take out the high and then grab some liquidity to the downside. I can't be mad at the trade, but we'll be alright. So it's like a 1 to 2. Entered off the 1 minute inverse. We still ain't come take this. If we take this low aggressively, then it's like GG's. But if we just stay above it, we chilling. ES look good. S&P look good right now. So I'm hoping right now they in alignment. But we just wait and see. I was supposed to go live last night, y'all. I fell asleep, bro. I will love my boy Moy. I might go downstairs real quick. Give me some cold drops. Hey, y'all watch my trade for me. Yo, I'll be back. Watch my trade. Yo, chill, work on my bed. It's a little messy. It's okay. Yo, how you looking, chat? You looking like it's a good trade? Y'all watched it for me? How was looking? Profits again higher, more than usual. Wow. Yo, Ray Supreme. Nigga, you new to trading? Yo, 30 bussing. Yeah, still bullish. Look, we trying to build structure now on 1 minute for Nas. Alright. Oh, still waiting to see. So I'll give y'all a breakdown maybe into this trade. So on a high time frame, the 1 hour, we came through. We took out New York yesterday's previous New York low, 10 a.m. low. Took that out. We took that out 8 a.m. with the 8 a.m. candle. We still closed under it too. Yeah, we still closed aggressively under it, and we pushed up right above it. Like, all right, dropped down to the 15. I seen the structure. After that, we had an inverse right here. I could have entered off here, but it had an inverse right here. I could have entered off of. I seen how bullish we was. I seen we was taking out highs on the way up. We took out this London high. You feel me? And we also swept midnight's low when we came through and took out yesterday's low. So I'm like, okay, boom. Dropped down on the 5 minute. Same we was bullish. We had a 1 minute. My entry came from this 1 minute inverse gap. This little box right here. This little box right here. Let me see. And it simply stops at this low, this previous 1 minute low, and for good money. It's not as like clean as like 30 looks though. No, not 30. Like the S&P look clean. I don't know why it doesn't let me do like ES on futures, but this, and I was kind of going off this. ES kind of the same thing. ES is going to way more aggressive than Nas is. Like this, and this is what I'm going off on my second monitor. Like ES good. So yep, there we go. We got Nas following it. There you go. There you go. There you go. It's all demo. So right now, it's just getting back in motion, getting back in reps and shit. I'm gonna give me a combine eventually. Funded soon. Probably should have brewed some hot water. The previous 15, we closed the buddies highs too. Okay, that's a good sign. ES still going up, so we kind of gotta just wait and see. Last day of trading. Say it was 17 when you left. It was. Damn. We are now 13. That's cool. Took out the high. Let's see if it's gonna take the high and dump. If that's what we on today. They'll probably move my stuff though. I guess I'll break even at. Okay, do I break even at, how many points do I break even at? It's only at 1 to 2. It's like 50 points, I guess. I wasn't like break even yet because we was still close as fuck. Yeah, it's kind of a slow day, y'all. I won't even lie to you niggas. Dang, US 30. I probably should have gotten there instead. See, it always happen, bro. It's either one or the other. I missed 30 and Nas busting, or I missed Nas. Or I trade 30 and Nas busting. That shit never fails. We're gonna let the 15 minutes show me something. Okay, start getting all the shit off the screen now. Yeah, this. Yeah, I feel crazy. Definitely after this, I'm gonna gargle some peroxide, some salt water. After that, chill. Yeah, man. It's kind of boring. I ain't gonna lie. You guys watching me do this shit, but we're just chilling. They're about to put some shorts. I lost a sub, man. I had 867. I had 6-7. But I'm at 866. Yo, I don't be getting that. It's like, well, it's probably a type of content. Like, I be unsubbing from shit too sometimes. Cause I'm like, bro, I don't even resonate with this nigga no more. Or this person right now. Like, I can't take no offense when people won't follow me or anything like that. Definitely can't take no offense. It ain't boring. Damn, bro. You a real nigga. Hey, Rich Supreme, you a real nigga, bro. You've been supporting me last like week or two. I'm glad you fuck with the content though, my boy. You seem to be very consistent with in like my shorts and my videos. I appreciate the love. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Hey, bro, nigga. I'm about to do something. Oh, you a nigga ain't loading. Um. Uh, Hold on, this morning. Oh, are we flipping? Are we flipping bearish now? Close, bro. And let me know if you feel me. Let me know, bro. Like, I'm always I want to change. What am I do this one? I'm gonna do this one. Hold up. Rebuilding. Damn, look at that shit. Alright, chat. Look who rejected this. I told y'all, if we come through and sweep this low, I can't be mad. So my stops is like just below the low. If we come in here, I do got an area entrance. I got an area entrance that I wouldn't mind price coming to, and I'll enter again. But dang, nah. Don't look at it like that, bro. Don't look at it like dang. Look at it as like it is what it is. Like that's the whole point of this new exercise I'm doing. Like right now, that's the whole point of like me demoing this week. Is getting back in the markets, not rushing on a combine, not rushing on a funded. So it's not a thing, bro. Just let it be. If that's what price want to do. Look at it like a dang. Look at it. Okay. What can I learn from? What lessons can I take from this trade? I entered up pretty high. Until right below a previous sweep of a high. I thought we was gonna push up from there. I ain't gonna lie. The way ES was moving, boy. ES busting. ES starting to retrace. 32. Oh, indices is starting to retrace down for a little bit. That's what it's looking like. I stopped out. I ain't thought me out yet. Alright, L trade. We'll journal the whole trade. Let's look at why we probably lost that. Alright, boom. Well, the bigger picture, I know I kind of figured I know why I lost that. We swept a high. We swept Asia highs, London highs. We grabbed some liquidity from the two highs we just swept. I probably should have broke even once we took out this high and we didn't keep pushing up aggressively. Came through, took the highs, and then that was really it. Use this as an inverse. That was a good trade. That was a good trade that I wasn't in the sense. That was a good trade. That was a good move from the market, let's say. That was a good purge on liquidity right there. I like that. I can't even. You gotta respect when you lose. Like that was a good way to lose. Like I just happened to be on the wrong shot. The trade wasn't really rushed. I didn't feel rushed entering the trade or anything like that. So hold up, let me break it down for myself. I'm really eager to just rush into the trade. I am eager to break down why I lost though. If I had to, give myself some data, boom. Hold on, chat. Stick with me. Stick with me. Give me a second. I still been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, walking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The first thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I don't want drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been on the low. And then high. Oh, no, I'm at the unfucking. Yeah, I don't wanna fucking look at y'all like that, nigga. We swept Asia high. We swept London high. Swept Asia highs, London highs. Previous day low. So it looked like, dude, that looked like it was a liquidity grab. Maybe to bounce up right into this gap. I told y'all I wanted to enter my second trade right here. So this is a good area entrance right now. I'm not mad at. I might just take the long right now. We gonna see. How the 5-minute close. We even got a 15-minute. Okay. Let's see. What ES doing? So what's the structure like on ES? I don't know. Chilling though. Boy, Dark Wizzy was good, Nick. Boy, Wizzy. Was we on demo right now? Okay, I'm calling me. Hold on. Hello? Oh. They're riding with you. The time they said don't bring a lot of different cars. And they said they're waiting for you to come. Alright. So I made breakfast, so don't stop and get that either. I wasn't. I just woke up not long ago. Alright. I can't hear you. I said alright. Okay. Alright. You say waiting on me. Who said I wanted to leave right now? I ain't leaving right now, nigga. I feel crazy. Alright. Alright, we tapped the 50%. I don't know. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait and see. We ain't gonna just enter just because we in this. We about to touch this 15. Especially after the fact we swept Asia high, swept London high. Previous day low got took. We still ain't take previous day high though. So previous day high is the last level of liquidity that get taken today. Or we could come and finally fill this gap up. We ain't even get the chance to come down here and take out for the rest of that. So right now we just looking. We just waiting. Alright. If I do want a long, it'll come from right here. I won't even lie to y'all. If I want a long, it's gonna come from right here. But I wanna see. They gotta show me something. This is gonna be my last trade too for the day. But right now we looking bearish. Still gold dumping. Barely, nigga. Shit ain't going nowhere. Look at that. But we gonna wait and see. We ain't rushing shit. I see we ain't getting nothing. Yeah, that's just today gonna just probably be a day for like work. Spending time with my family. See, we aggressively took that. You know, happy we ain't actually tried to enter. Honestly, yeah. After taking out the highs, the trade I took that long was stupid. We wasn't fully bullish. I wasn't stupid. It just was on the wrong side. I just took the wrong trade. I was hoping, not hoping, kinda, not hope like yes, please, but I was thinking that since we took out London High Asia High, we gonna continue up, take out those highs, then probably dump. But we decided to take London and Asia highs, and we dumped. So I think that's good. From this perspective, gang, it don't look like it's gonna hit the high. Like especially since the S&P dumping. S&P started off bullish as fuck. S&P it looked good. It looked good at first, but this wick looks sick. Going this wick is sick. This is a sick ass wick. It's a sick ass wick. But don't get me wrong, before it was bullish. Right now, GG's, super GG's. Even that hourly wick look crazy. I should have waited till hourly wick close. Sorry though. I feel like I just gained a lot of data just off me just doing this right now. Right. There's no emotion into this shit. It's just purely just watching the charts. Y'all can hear me still? I'm sure y'all can still hear me. Y'all can still hear me. Yeah, how about that? Hold up. Who I got this motherfucker? 3 viewers. I had 4. 3, 4. Yo, talk to me in chat, yo. Don't come in here just be a stranger, you bitch ass niggas. Y'all be sitting here watching me. Oh my god, it's too real. Nigga, come talk, bro. Come express yourselves. Tell me how y'all trading day went. You got cooked or what? This the last trade day, yo. Niggas can't trade tomorrow. What's the trade tomorrow? I might buy a combine. I don't know. I might just throw it in a live. Just build up a live. Yo, Reed Supreme, you trade, nigga? Or you just an honest viewer? You just like the content in general? Whoa. 4 hour look crazy, gang. 4 hour candle look crazy. What the daily? Yeah, daily bearish. Yeah, we just turned bearish on indices. Well, on S&P, the daily still green. Nah, this shit red. 4 hour fighting for his life. 1 hour, this shit chop basically. Why we chilling? Niggas not rushing to get into nothing. I wonder how January price action is gonna be. I ain't gonna lie. It's great. Each month price action is literally different. That shit is wild to me. Like, hold up, chat. I wonder, like, I had to talk with myself. Need to run the Discord lives back next year. Should I bring them back? I feel like everybody. I feel like we all on different timings. Nah, I say that shit, but I can run them shits back. Bro, I can run them shits back. Next year, I'll do it next year. Once I get like more situated, more back into like a set routine. Cause right now my schedule kind of all over the place. Like I'm on the road. I'm traveling. Like this week I'm gonna be home, but next week I most likely won't be home. So once I get like a setback routine, them shit's definitely coming back. Cause the content I've been feeling more confident again to post my content again. Been more of a creator. I've been more in my creative space again. So I wouldn't be against the Discord shit, but I want niggas to actually grow from it this time, dog. Wizzy. I don't My boy Mar, I ain't see this nigga. Stole my camera, bro. Shit tweak, hold up. But all I was gonna say was, yeah, hey Wizzy, if I'm gonna do that shit, how have you been? I've been living, gang. I've been living. Damn, shit big as hell. I've been living, gang. Taking it day by day. Just trying to stay consistent with them myself. Not even just with trading, life in general. Trading wise though, I won't say I'm stuck in. I'm not in the same spot. I definitely improved a lot more. Way easier to get funded. But recently, I feel like my ego got in the way of things, and I stopped learning as much. So now, like this is not a punishment. This is me just getting reps. This is me shooting in the gym, bro. Instead of me just trying to keep playing pickup ball, this is me getting up shots. This is me dribbling every morning. This is me coming to the charts, breathing right, getting cardio and shit. How about you, man? Mar, how you been, bro? More top trades. You about to start dropping? The boy Wizzy be dropping. Wizzy, drop some shorts, nigga. Oh yeah, shorts be the wave, bro. Shorts the reason my channel is growing right now. My long form content not really hitting as much, which is understandable. I'm not even mad. Like this right here, I was waiting for us to start building back up into this. This is my area interest right here. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I should have been made this shit. I should have been did this. Now this shit fuck around leaving, nigga. Nah, fuck. I'm gonna push down just a little bit, man. Yeah, there we go. Alright, stops at this low. It's a 15-minute trade, really. So I'm gonna watch this shit on the 15-minute chart. Really, stops really gotta be like at this low. I ain't even gonna hold you. If I'm in this motherfucker. Really like a 1 to 3. If I'm risking 30, I want us to go get these highs. Cause we using the previous day lowest support. Let's see though, cause shit we can still come and dump. I hope we stay above this low. Damn, that was just a little retracement. 5-minute bearish gap. Let's see. This came from like I'll be on Discord for a bit. Nah, I ain't gonna Discord today. I ain't gonna lie. Cause after this, told y'all I'm feeling nigga feeling a little sick. I want to gargle. I want to pause. This probably not gonna lie. I don't know why was I looking. I was looking for vibes on this 15-minute, but bro, we hourly bearish. 15-minute still print bearish. I waited. I came in this shit too early. I feel like I came into this too early. I was looking for vibes when the market was showing me bearish, but we gonna see. It's all a part of data. What made me get in? All that. I liked how we still didn't like fully pushed up like down to like this low. But I didn't give it a chance to. I should at least waited till the 15-minute candle close inside of here to look for a buy in here. But if you get cooked, that's it though. I probably should have tried to short off this. I definitely should have went short. This was an easy entry for the short. That's 2 L's. All right, right. This should have been a short. This should have been a short, right? This for sure should have been a short. But that's my second. So hold on. I gotta send this in my journal real quick. All right. So let's look at why I lost that. Here, boy JR. I'll be on Discord for a bit. I'll be back on Discord for a bit. All right. Let's move this. Move all these boxes out of my way. I gotta stop letting that, trigger me to get in the trade. This was clearly a bearish setup, bro. Took out two highs. Yo, I be getting notification from Cash App. I be thinking somebody Cash App me money and shit. These niggas gonna hit me talking about some. Remember to invite somebody Cash App this holiday season. You get 25 when they try us out. Bro, I don't give a fuck about none of that. They want some bread. So after coming back and sweeping this 930 low, we played around here. I wanted the long from here because I'm like, all right, maybe we could start building momentum, but none of this shit is right now. The data is not screaming bullish, bro. We took out some highs, took out Asia high, London high. We dumped off that shit. 15-minute closed bearish. This one opened up bearish. Over 5-minute candles is bearish. I just lost. I can't really, I ain't gonna lie, I can't fully think straight because I'm like, I feel like I'm live and I can't really. Now I'm bitching. So me wanting to enter that came from like a fair value gap on this 15-minute, but I didn't even, you know why this was invalidated too? I didn't even let the 15-minute close within here for this to be a A+ entry. That trade was slightly, overly rushed in a sense. This is why we on demo. We getting data. I'm getting data for myself. I'm looking at this. I'm journaling this, and I'm like coming back. So I entered just off of price coming and tapping the gap again, but we didn't even close in it. The 5-minute didn't close in. If anything, the 5-minute close within this. Like the whole point of my gap should be more so like an entry point. It shouldn't be my confluence. It shouldn't be the reason I just entered. Oh, we in the gap. No, that's how niggas lose because niggas is trying to like pattern trade and not going off structure. The structure was so far was showing us bearish, bro. Took out highs, lower high right here for me. What if we would have took this out aggressively and closed within my area of entrance like that, then yeah. But I just entered just because we were still in the middle of it. So that's my mistake in a sense. But that's all, and that's just what it is. So the market decided that we wanted to go up, and maybe I was too early. Maybe we still could go flip bearish, flip bullish after sweeping these lows. But I'll use my two trades. Really, I only want to take 1 to 2. Really, like more so 1. That's my two. Journal them. I'm gonna really sit down and type the journal once I get off the live. US 30. How that shit look? US 30 was the move, gang. Yo, this happened yesterday, bro. I tried the long 30 and it dumped on me. I tried the long Nas, it dumped on me. Fucking horse. Excuse my language. But yeah, bro. I still want to see what this shit do. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm still curious. I'm not gonna trade or nothing, but I still want to see. I'm curious what happens here. So we swept 930 low. Previous day low got swept. I want to see if we're gonna go up and start taking out these highs we put in earlier. I'm just curious. It's still early. It's only 10:15. Talk to me, yo. JR, you traded? Y'all niggas traded, yo? Who else in this motherfucker? Talk to me. How y'all trading day going so far? Curious to hear how everybody trading day goes so far. Did y'all follow y'all rules? Did y'all follow y'all checklists? Y'all discipline, or we were just looking to get funded? Like talk to me. Fucking. Yeah, after this, I'm gonna get dressed and shit. I guess I gotta go to my grandma's house early. My aunt's house early, I guess. Oh, Diddy, my shit. Don't throw her, bro. And I'm about to. Shit. Yo, let me show y'all niggas something, bro. Yo, tell me I'm bugging, bro. This not a crazy compliment, bro. This was wild, gang. Look, bro. This nigga said, your kind has been through slavery, yet you always rise stronger. Resilience is your legacy. Don't give up. I appreciate it, but your kind is crazy, gang. That nigga basically said the blacks went through slavery, yet you always rise stronger. Resilience is your legacy. Don't give up. Talk to me, gang. I know I don't give a fuck for real, but that's not crazy. Yeah, Nas looking like a lot. Look, we flipping bullets. I see. I was early. I tried to enter just off my pattern. I should have entered more. So waited for an inverse. Like wait. So the structure is fully built. Even though, and I probably my stops probably was too tight too. If my stops, I had my stops at this low. If I had my stops at this low, been better. So the long wasn't a bad long game. For me, I was too early. I was too early to the party. What you say? He said tried to buy Nas and lost that. Now I'm in SP shorts. Looking like it's bullish. Respected this 5 minute thing is gonna do what Nas did. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. We definitely looking on S&P. S&P the S&P take out the low it made at 930. Um the difference between S&P and Nas, S&P never took out that low it made at 930. It's still it like respected it. It like used it as support. From looking at my second monitor over here. I can't like switch the screen. Yo, chill. My room not dirty. I just got some bag, just white shirts. I'm unpacking. My room look a little messy. After this shit, I'm gonna finish packing this shit. Well, unpacking, just to pack again. But I feel like we could definitely start taking off from here, especially since we got some more liquidity to the upside. We're gonna wait and see where we gonna drink some milk. Oh, he not coming back. Oh, bro, he not coming back. Drink some milk is crazy. That's what my dad said. If we close out of this inverse, we should be good. But we just we analyzing what I could have done differently. I was just early. I was early. All right. You got a 1 minute bullish gap, JR. You could probably get him right there. The short only reason I wouldn't shorts didn't look as good as Nas shorts. And Nas shorts you would have had to get it up top up here. I never traded ES yet. I just used this confirmation. Could have left it. Yeah, no, you know what it was? My stop I had my stops at this low. I had my stops right here. My stops at this low. I should have maybe did this low. No, did I have it? What low did I have it? No. What low? Where did I have it at? I guess I had it. I don't know where I had it at. Cause this low just got put in. So I thought I had it. I didn't have it at this low. Let me check my Telegram. I did not have it at that low. You know what low I had it at? I'm gonna show you what low I had it at. I had it here. I had it at this low. The same low came and swept. I had it at the low, put in at 10.05. Okay. So the trade actually wasn't bad. It actually was a great trade. I just got swept. Because my stops at this low. And that's the low we came and swept. But if I had it at the 10 a.m. low, I'll still be in trade. I'll still be in the trade. Okay. So boom. There you go. Sometimes, right? Boom. Look at that. Sometimes it's not even like a bad entry. My stop loss was dookie, nigga. Too tight. That's fair. Okay. Okay. Nigga ain't mad at that. Nigga, I ain't mad at that. But now I know stops got to be a little wider, just to give it a little more breathing room. Cause my entry was at. Let me just look on my screen. My entry was at 475.6, right? My entry was at 475 right here. I had a 30-point stop loss. If I just had it 4 more points, I'll still be in the trade. So stop loss. Stop letting that shit be so tight. Let that shit breathe. Yeah, nah, S&P look good. S&P just moves slow, but S&P the momentum look good. Nas look good too. Like looking at Nas right now, this shit look good. Even off the 15 minutes look good. woke up like this, bro. God, Rock, Nas retracement was crazy. But Nas actually was taking out lows. ES was just respecting the lows. ES was using lows as support. But every low Nas took out was a good low. So yeah, that was a good trade. So far, my trading is not great. What kind of trading do you do? Depends on your options trader, your forex, your futures. Long was a great long. Just was a bad stop loss. Okay. S&P and Nasdaq. Oh, S&P look better. I ain't gonna lie. Like this, how I'm gonna show you how S&P look. That's how I'm looking. That's how I'm looking at S&P right now on my second monitor. So S&P look. That shit look just like Nas. Came through. This was the 930 low. We didn't even take it. We usually had support versus Nas. We actually came and grabbed it. So ES look. I mean, S&P look good. It wasn't as no, JR, they look the same. Look, this Nas, S&P. Nas, shit literally the same, bro. There's literally barely anything different. Yeah, after stream, I'm about to gotta fix. Paul got sore throat. No Diddy. Gotta fix this motherfucking shit. I'm probably not gonna eat none today, but I ain't even gonna lie. I'm probably gonna chill all day. There's 30 look good. There's 30 took out the high made. There's 30 just took out London low. London high. There's 30 was a good move. The 30 took out 9:45 a.m. low from yesterday. Like an hourly low too. It's a 15-minute low. Well, 10 a.m. candle too. Took out one of New York lows. Say it was structure. It actually was decent on 30. It wasn't terrible. So. We're still going. We're only for a little bit. You use Owanda S&P SPX 500 USD. Well, let me look at that one. I mean, this S&P look better too, JR. Cause this is actually like a 4. I was looking for this kind of version of S&P though. I kept using the trading view version. You know, that's the one I be having like all the gaps and shit in it. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, we ain't even going nowhere near that shit on this one. Damn, you could have entered off. What the fuck? Why would you short this? This S&P actually did. All right, my boy, be safe. Yo, Jerry, you a dumbass. Nah, you my boy. But come on, gang. 15-minute gap, nigga. You could have. This was the long. What you was trying to show? What was the shorts on? Yeah, on ES. It was no shorts on ES, boy. On God, there ain't no shorts on ES. What the fuck? This ain't no shorts, nigga. Oh, bro, you bullshitting. This ain't no shorts, nigga. Don't say no woman. How the woman it look? Let me see. Ain't none on this shit screaming shorts, boy. On God. I can't talk to. I lost both my trades today. I see my boy Ray Supreme. I see you. Ain't nothing screaming S&P shorts, bro. On God. Chat, I'm bugging. Shout all the niggas in this shit. Yo, stop acting like strangers, nigga. Y'all was looking at Nas thinking it was a late dump. Nah. You gotta look at them to correlate at least something. S&P did what I wanted Nas to do. Nas came into the 15-minute, but it never respected it. S&P respected this 15-minute. I just wanted to take it to the previous highs. Let's also look. Well, did ES take any lows from yesterday? Took out 11 a.m. low, but like Nas took out a previous day low. ES didn't, but ES hour looked good compared to Nas's hourly. Like ES is also like the wickets look better. They both like fighting to stay bullish. We still only in the first. We about to the second 15 minutes just about to close. It look like we starting to slow down, but shit look perfect for Boz. Yeah, but get your data, man. Don't just like keep trading. That's a trade, bro. Learn from like why you lost. Like the first trade I was trying to buy right below a high, especially after we swapped London and Asia high. From there, I should have just kind of waited to see what the market wanted to tell me to do. Started adding some more data to it. So I feel like each day is a day to journal, get more experience, put more shots up. Yo, my shit hurt, bro. Honestly, too. What gold do? Yeah, gold kept dumping. Gold need to dump. Fuck. Oh, 30 took out his high and it's chilling. 30 was a good move. Yeah. I'm probably going in this shit though, because I'm not going to probably take another trade. I'm probably going to get out of here. I gotta start sliding, chill with my family and shit. Plus, I wanna fix my little feel of sickness. Yeah, first one I didn't let stop loss hit for Nas. What was you in the buy? Yeah, you didn't let it hit stop loss. Yeah, you gambling. You don't trust your strat game. That's why I'm demoing. I ain't gonna hold you. First one I entered I entered pretty high, close to. I entered just after we swept Asia and London highs. That's rookie mistake. But I seen green, but the fact that we didn't have any candle closes aggressive above the highs, shows signs of weakness up there. Came through, grab liquidity to the downside, and now we we trying to build momentum. S&P kicking up too. Yeah. I don't know why you didn't let your stop loss hit for now. That didn't make no sense. But I was in a 5-minute gap. Shit got blasted through. Yeah, it did. But we had lows to take out. That's why, like earlier, you wasn't here. I told them like I wouldn't be mad if we came through my first ever trade and stopped me out because we still got lows to take. I think the biggest thing is pay attention to the sweeps. Ah, shit, bro. I'm definitely gonna boil some water. I'm gonna cut up some ginger, cut up some garlic, make some tea, get dressed because he's gotta leave, and then yeah, head out the auntie in them crib. Yeah. It's kind of slowing down now, but I want to hit at least hours. Man. But yeah, it's hard though. Jared, you demo funded live, or didn't you lose 8397? Nigga on his burner account. Nigga on a burner account, bro. Who mans? Who fucking mans is this? Yeah, 30 bucks. Yo, that's fucked up. I'm keep trying to tell y'all, bro. Every time, right, I decide to trade Nas, 30 bucks. Whenever I try to trade 30, Nas bust. Yo, it's some bullshit. I wanted the longs today too. Like the longs was on my radar. That was my bias for the day. Was to go long. should have paid attention to what structure was better, especially since we been swept Asia low on 30. So when we dumped, we started out low though. Even came back down after busting up from 930. One minute got inverse. Yeah, 30 was the move. But I'm gonna let y'all niggas go. It's 10:30. I'm about to go live my life. Complete some main quest, side quest, all that. But y'all be safe, man. We back Thursday. Back Thursday, day after Christmas. Well, no, we back Friday.